Being a mentor to a new member, or even continuing as a mentor to a more seasoned member, can be one of the most rewarding positions to a Toastmaster. The Mentor-Protege request form is made available to our members to either volunteer to be a mentor to another member, or for new members to request a mentor be assigned to them. At Foothill Toastmasters, we strive to make sure that every new member of our club is assigned a mentor. This person is there to help the member grow and develop as a confident public speaker, as well as helping them discover their own leadership abilities along the way. Mentors and proteges both gain from the experience. Long-term friendships can develop between members in this way and have long-lasting value to both parties. It's not uncommon for a mentor-protege pairing to continue long after the initial period of introduction between the two. The request form has a short list of options that you can select which meet your personal needs and desires. Simply check the appropriate boxes, leave any comments or questions in the message space provided at the bottom of the form, and click the Submit button. Your request will be forwarded to the appropriate club officers, who will be in contact with you shortly about your request.